Boy, you know, there's good fabric and then there's great fabric. And when you get great fabric, it's so exciting. So this is a collection just in from New York. And it's just great. I don't know how else to say it. So these are all cottons, 100% cottons. This one's not. I'll get there when I get there. But this is just really, really beautiful. It's a dual border. And so it's lightweight. It'd be great for like a little sheath. A blouse would be adorable. Even a pair of pants. It's got that much drape. Could really go. That little sleeve I did the other day. You could do the Andrew Jen sleeve. You could do that at the edge and have this drape. Oh, just so many cute ideas. But anyway, great border print. The fabric's 60 inches wide. This border is about 12, and the borders on the other end is about 12. So then you've got all the interim fabric. Then we've got an ombre, and you all know ombres are impossible to find, but this is especially in the blues, blue, the darker blue, a mid blue, and then the white. This fabric's about 52 inches wide, and this ombre here takes up about 20 before it gets to solid white, and the rest is a solid white. Beautiful, 100% cotton, light, light, light. Then we have this beautiful stripe. Stripes are everywhere, you all know that. Great sundress, just so many things, so cute. You can see both sides are usable, both sides are great, so we call this a shirting, 100% cotton woven. Then we have, this is a knit. It's just lovely. It's a stretch, it's 100% cotton, stretch in one direction, and what it reminds me of is those fabrics that are at Tommy Bahama, those little shirts. They're kind of like little cap sleeves or little short sleeves. Just like a little sweater set, not tight. You don't want anything too tight. You want a looser effect with it, but it's just adorable. Then we have, and 100% cotton, I think I said that, 100% cotton on this one also. This is a panel print, and this is a woven panel print. Not a cheap fabric, but this is a cheap price that I'm giving it to you at. But you can see that it goes from selvage to selvage. So, and one panel is approximately 1 yard long. We're going to make it a little bit more than that, but we're going to price it by the yard or by the panel. And then what you notice is between each one there's fringe. So at the end of this panel you get this built-in fringe. Let me try to show it to you there. Is that adorable? And so you just cut it off. Well, I mean, when we cut it, you'll just pull out this and you can create the amount of fringe you want. You just pull out the cross, and what's left is the fringe. Adorable, beautiful, beautiful blues. Just, you can see, really, really pretty. The reason I put this in here is because we just sell out of this so quickly. This is what everybody's been looking for. This is your two-way stretch. It's a yoga pant, it's a legging, it's either one. Beautiful weight, beautiful hand. It is 99% cotton. This was actually marked, so I know that. 99% cotton and 1%. I think it's a poly or a lycra, I'm not sure which, but beautiful hand, beautiful drape, beautiful fabric. So just to bring these kind of fabrics and these quality to you at such incredible prices was just exciting for me. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.